me through, please? He needs to get downstairs for a wrestling show.
Now I can feel the fire burning deep within me. I'll be the hero and no one can stop me.
That's all I gotta know. We're going to StocktonCon, ladies and gentlemen. We're fucking out here. You already know. Naruto shit, you already know. StocktonCon gonna meet my boys. Anyways, take a look at my room. It's been a while since I vlogged out here. Ignore the fucking noises. That shit's irrelevant. Anyways, what the fuck? We're gonna go pick up Christian, and then we're gonna finesse the StocktonCon. We're gonna meet stuff. I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do, but we're fucking ready. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next shot. When I'm doing something. Hey, I don't know. Gone. Alright guys, we're fucking here. You already know. You got your boy Angel and Christian right here. We're out here in StocktonCon. They're fucking wrestling. Honestly, I'm about to go fucking join. People don't understand I'm a vlogger. We're out here putting that foul work.
Why is he hitting him? He didn't do nothing. I like the Kotsky look.
Okay. Dude, that shit hurt. Okay.
What is he doing?
Okay. Okay. Get your ass. He kicked it.
That's me. Why are they fighting? Violence, we do not fight with violence. We fight with our words.
What the?
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner
Anyway.
of the Royal and will face Patrick Fitzpatrick.
Angel, manager.
The Extreme title, Corvus.
Angel, why aren't you up there, dude? Angel's tired of this shit. He's about to get up there. Anyways, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. What's up, everybody? Fucking get up there. Dude, I'm a vlogger. I don't think people realize.
You guys enjoy that so far?
Yeah. We enjoyed you.
Stay right where you
Any
are.
fucking ways, guys. I'm a fucking dip. I'm waiting for Christian to buy his fucking tickets. I could go inside. I'm excited. I'll see you guys next shot. We're fucking out here, guys. There's people dressed up. Here, you know. We're gonna go look for real shit. I mean, wrestling. I mean, fuck. I'm gonna go look for his people. Any fucking way. It's dirty. I ain't getting that shit. Can you honestly? Let's go inside. That squad. Honestly, like squad right there. Wow. What the fuck? That's a lit ass fucking design. Okay. That shit was fucking lit, guys. We're out here. Esta bitch te manda. Dude, I'm here to. No. Dude, I was supposed to do my meet and greet, but obviously it didn't work out. So we're out here. Okay. Dude, up there is where all the celebrities are at. All right, let's go see. Let's go. We should go back. Yeah, this way. Honestly, we're already here. I'm gonna look at some stuff. All right, guys. Yo, boy. Yeah, but only one of them died, remember?
Yeah.
I mean, passed away. RIP. Good. Let me see. I'm waiting for Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio better come out.
Black Power Ranger.
Dude, I could wear the theme. Bet. Alright, guys. Angel, you're gonna interview, alright? You're just gonna record, alright? I'm gonna zoom up to your boy. Alright, guys, I'm gonna ask him some personal questions, guys. Alright, don't hold it to me because I don't want to do this.
Yeah, hey, dude, stop. Too much.
Guys, I'm trying to do it with everything out here. I'm trying to save these moments.
I'm just crying, man. But he didn't come last time.
Huh? I come every year, but is it like new different wrestlers come, so?
So, how do you feel about John Cena coming?
Watch it. That's my dad right there, dude. That's my idol. Well, ever since I was a little kid, I was John Cena.
Really?
John Cena was my dad ever since I was young, but he abandoned me, so like, but yeah, he's still my dad. Yep.
What you doing? Get it. I'm gonna interview him, right? I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah, bro. Throw those on, bro. My fault. I thought you were dead. No, it's alright, bro.
Wow, Armando.
There you go.
Wow.
Well, you can borrow for 2 seconds.
That's it. That's be good.
Y'all take it out here?
Alright, man. You feel me running you down and chin leg dive again. Yeah, thank you, bro.
How was your experience?
How do you feel?
I feel fucking amazing, dude. Like, honestly, I'm sweating right now.
Bro?
Yeah, and I'll put this in this bag.
You were so shy to shake his hand. How did it feel?
I was proud of you.
He should feel good shaking my hand, too. Move.
Whoa.
Move it.
What's your name? Armando. Can you take it? No, please don't take it.
Wow. Mondo Flex.
You gotta go. Should be alright. My pleasure, man. My pleasure. Boy, Armando.
Oh, man, thank you.
Come on, Mondo. You gotta be on
You
check.
know, like, honestly, dude, I'm nervous again. Like, dude, like, to be honest, oh, fuck with me, dude. Whoa.
He needs to get downstairs for a wrestling show.
That one looks good.
This one?
That one looks good.
No, but that one's drawing on a photo of him. Which one? Which one? Ah, you want to get this one?
You know when Belichick and Brady decided to
Good. So you're underground at the moment, huh?
That's it. Yeah.
Who are you gonna find? John Boyd?
Next weekend. Next Wednesday.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah.
That fucking weight.
So, how does
That
it feel?
fucking weight was hella good. I was recording. We have Mimor showed up.
Okay, guys.
We're fucking waiting. After waiting that
Let's
fucking
go down.
hour.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're going down. No, we're going down. We haven't looked at this. Any fucking ways, this fucking dip, guys. Alright guys, so here we are, we're like leaving because like, you know, we've been grinding all day in our meet and greet. We have to fucking go. We're breaking the money. Yeah, like we're like fucking broke. But anyways, this vlog doesn't end, alright? We're still gonna do stuff.
You gotta smack your hand to the camera.
Any fucking way. Don't listen to that voice. Yeah, we're out here. Our meet and greet left early. I know you guys are disappointed. Y'all wanted to see Meme Lord yell still. And then touch on each other. Fuck you. Fuck y'all know what I mean. I'll see you guys in the next shot because you know I'm gonna drive. What's up, guys? Watching fucking Slumber Sams. Fuck. Watching out here, vlogging, doing what I do best out here.
What's sad?
What?
It's sad that right now wrestling is so classic, right? But like 10 to 20 years from now, you're gonna see wrestlers come out with like True Religion stuff. You know?
Fuck that guy.
True Religion gear
Fuck
stuff.
that guy. Honestly, guys, like I came up today. Look at my fucking stuff. Look at that. That's all y'all could get, honestly.
How much did you spend on all that?
Less than 10 bucks, honestly.
So you with that cheap shit?
Yep. You got me.
You don't have to. Are you a daily vlogger supposedly?
Yeah, I'm a daily vlogger, guys.
Some irrelevant shit.
I'm vlogging myself, dude. I'm not irrelevant.
Vlog every day, you'll get 10 fucking new subscribers.
113 subscribers and going, guys. Like, this is it, all I got, honestly, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, gone.